Hi, Codehunters here. Welcome to another video of Codehunters. In this video, we will see how we can generate app password for Gmail to access Gmail using any programming language or tool. There are times when we want to send an email or read an email from our code using Gmail, but if we use our regular username and password, we receive some error. To fix this issue, we need to create an app password and we need to use that app password in our code. To create an app password, open your Gmail, click on your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. This will open a new tab here and then click on the security tab and scroll down and go into app password section and click on this app password. This will ask you a password again. Provide your Gmail password and click on next. On this page, you need to select the app. Either you can select these or you can create your own using custom name. I will select custom name and then type your name. I will give access Gmail and click on the generate button. Now, this is your app specific password. You need to use this password as the password in your code. And once you use this password, you will be able to access the Gmail from your code. Click on done to close this and go back. To create the app password, you need to make sure that your two-step verification is turned on. So this is how you can generate a app specific password for your Gmail account. And the text version of this video is also available on our website codehunters.in. The link of this post is in the description below. Hope this helps and I will see you in the next video.